I have a huge Shein haul for you guys, and this is full of summer dresses, so I thought, why not, like, let's do a big try on, because I wanted a whole bunch of summer stuff, so I literally have so many things in here. It's still going. I have so many things, so let's try them on and see. I'm currently in like a gothic aesthetic. Are we gonna turn up to some cute little pretty things? So let's do it. So this is the first one. This is a wrap dress, so very nice. I did get this in a smaller size. Normally I go for a 2X, and I got this in a 1X because I've lost a little bit of weight. This is really pretty and gorgeous. Like, that's the back. She's cute. Doesn't have pockets or anything, but this is adorable. This will be cute, so cute for summer. Like, I love this. It's really cute. And the sleeves. What do you guys think? It's so cute. Okay, so this one's a cute little vibe. I kind of feel like I should be in the Roman Empire or something, like some kind of gladiator or something. Kind of feels like mad diaper vibes too. Like, I'm not sure. I haven't done it up at the back just because it's a bit hard to do up. I did get these in one size smaller than what I normally would though. Normally I'd get them in a size bigger, so I think because it's actually like kind of my size, it's like not oversized on me, so I'm kind of like, oh, it's weird. Like, I don't hate it. It's not bad, but it's just, it's very interesting. But it would be good for like a summer's day. Like, I don't hate it. Nice for a bikini on top. Like, yeah, and I really like the sleeves. The sleeves are really adorable. Like, look at the sleeves. They're cute. So, yeah. And then we have this dress. It has a nice little like peekaboo moment. I do need to lift these straps up just because it is falling down. I did get this in a size smaller than what I normally would as well. Again, this is a 1X. The back ties up real nice. I just need a lower bra, and it's like covers my butt nicely. It's a nice kind of like thin material. I already own this in red. And I did actually order it in blue. So I'm going to try that one on next. But this one's really pretty. I think it'll be real nice for summertime. I might even wear it tonight. Like, it's a really gorgeous little dress. It's adorable. It's cute. This is cute. I like it. Thing is, I don't know if it's too small or my boobs are too big, because I feel like the keyhole in this one's definitely smaller than the other one. But look how cute it is. It's a good, like, fit size. Like, oh, it's adorable. I wonder if I could wear it with no bra. Then that might sit better. But, like, it's really cute. The color is so nice. Like, look at this. Look at it in the sun. Like, it's gorgeous. I love it. I'm obsessed. I think this is really cute. You could even put, like, a nice little white belt with it. Like, some little white booties. Like, this is adorable. This is so cute. I love it. I can't wait to try it. Like, I've got so much. Like, this is so exciting. I don't know. I had to put a belt on with it, and I've tucked my bra in. That's why my boobs are a bit of an odd shape. Because, like, it's, like, my boobs are too big. It's really cute. Don't get me wrong. It's really cute. But my boobs, I feel like, are too big for it. And it makes me really sad. Because it's got so much potential and it looks really cute. But I'm like, maybe if I put a strapless on or something. I don't know. Because if I take the belt off, like, I'm like, it's definitely giving maternity shoot vibes. Like, you know, I can't wear it like this at all. Like, whose son am I giving birth to right now? Like, what? So, yeah. It's definitely cute and it's a nice color, but I need to suss this situation out. But yeah, you tie the straps together, which is really, which is really cool. And the back's like nice too. So it's a good length and everything. Like, I do like it, but it's just, it needs a belt. It needs a belt. Okay, this is adorable. Nice, cute, tight. You can tighten it on the edges there. Cinch it in where you want to be cinched in. It's cute. Yes, she's giving. Like this. All right, first set of dungarees out of the 3 pairs of overalls I brought. So these are the black ones, and they're really nice on the butt. Like, these are really cute and adorable. They have pockets. I think these are really nice. There's a good range of motion. I got them smaller than the ones I got last time, because last time I got brown ones. Got them in a 2X, and these are a 1X, and they're actually really nice and comfy as well, and quite lightweight for summer. Yay. So this is this one here, and this is really cute. I love the sleeves. Love everything about this. Love the cut, the neckline. It's so see-through. Like, look at this. It's so see-through. You can see everything. You can see my underwear. Like, it's just all see-through. This is a very see-through outfit, but it's such a shame because it's so nice, but it is definitely so see-through. You can see that my underwear there, but it's so nice. I love the waffle, and this is so super comfy as well. This I got in a 2X, so it's a little bit bigger. So I think that's why, compared to some of the other stuff, this is quite nice. So this is what I was gonna, oh my god, this stuff's sticking to my feet like there's no tomorrow. This is what I wanted to get for Paramore. I got it in a 2X, but it's massive. So I definitely need it sized down, which is good to know. But yeah, I just have stuff sticking to my feet. So gross. There's a thing of filming all these things. You just shit all over the floor, like, honestly. But, yeah. I mean, it's cute. I really do like it, but it definitely, needs to be tighter. If it was tighter, it would, see, that was so cute. Definitely needs to be tighter and I think slightly shorter. So maybe I need to do some editing to it and then it'll be alright. But this is a good basis so far. It's a good base. What do you guys think? And these are the last item, which are really cute, like dungarees. These are really cute, adorable. They're very tight. Don't know how I feel about them. Like, they look nice and everything, but they are super duper tight. So I don't know if it's like too much or like not enough. I don't know. It's cute though. Like, she's cute. I love the pattern, like with all the dinosaurs and the spiders and everything. It's pretty much all my tattoos, like little bat there, like it's cute. It's very cute. So yeah, that was my Shein haul. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Like, should I keep all these? This one, should I size up? Like, I think it's actually pretty alright. Like, I think I'll keep it like this. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. But until next time, I love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next one.